keep your pond plants healthy and thriving, it is important to use a high-quality potting media. Aquascape Pond Plant Potting Media is an all-natural, fine-grain, non-toxic alluvial planting media specifically formulated for aquatic and semi-aquatic pond plants. Our high-quality potting media effectively anchors plants and promotes healthy, lush plant growth while increasing flower production. Aquascape potting media is perfect for planting or repotting water lilies, lotuses, marginals, and other pond plants. No mixing or rinsing is required. The media is ready to use right out of the bag. Aquascape potting media is free of peat moss or compost and completely safe for pond fish and wildlife. Every water feature ecosystem needs aquatic plants to truly thrive, and Aquascape Pond Plant Potting Media is perfect for supporting the healthy growth of plants in your pond or water garden. In addition to potting media, Aquascape also carries a variety of pond plant products and accessories. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended, and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.